Shukor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Uba PK Shulet, Ubalong President of Coordination Committee of Registered Meecl Employees Association and Unions, but Meecl Engineers Association, but Ubalong Ru Chairman of Meecl Joint Action Committee, Haski Palay Ularai bin Hiar no nagini kam gibaw labat adin magilami gijing kentho but gijing kenno persyaya hakikatu kat ni gilat pathai khubor yagarai bin Hiar Shuki no nagitegi kam uba Shulet ulawan ban pentip sigilat pathai khubor Shalong Press Club nagaliang uba Shulet ulaong ba unpa yakashiti ina kam menta kasngi hi ulaong ru bagarai ka jong bin Hiar Shuki kan omkta ikajing dawa ban pinbe yaki kanrom ki kanram ki badan hapo ka Meecl
them to accept in principle, because that's what we stand for.
So they will accept.
I hope so. I'm tendering my resignation today. Filed ever this RTI with Inspector of Electricity, asking many questions relating to this. I have copies of the RTI. I have asked for information on questions about 15 to 16 questions. As and when I get the answers to all this information that I have sought, I'll consult my lawyer and will think about the future course of action. That's what the law says, provided it is done through a proper procedure. All procedures were observed. Allegations were made in media. It came in the media.
Who are these people?
I don't know. I don't know who are these people. But as every one of us have seen, serious allegations were made. So, asking for many informations, and once this information comes, I'll be consulting my lawyer, and then we'll think about future course of action.
Will your decision to step down affect your organization attempt to revamp the whole FCL organization?
All this while delivering the duty of a president, I have seen, and to my satisfaction, today I can claim, in fact, that there is not only one PK Shulet. There are more than 3,000 PK Shulets in Meecl. And I'm very sure the fight will go on. Let this new body take its own course, its own action.